Yo YouTube, what up? GSNCards here, coming back at you with our second baseball group break of the night. We have 2 boxes of Sweet Spot Classic. We're into boxes number 2 and 3. So good luck to everyone who joined here. This one feels a little bit thin. I don't know, maybe a redemption. Here we go. First off, for the Red Sox, a base 575, Jim Rice. And then for the Athletics, we have a Dennis Eckersley, game used jersey. I'll pull that one to the front. So definitely a redemption. Then we got a base for the Tigers, Hal Newhouser. Newhouser, 575 for the Tigers. And then, wow, an old-time jersey of Johnny Mize for the Mets. Sorry, the Giants, the New York Giants. I saw the Mets hat right away, but that one will go to the Giants, New York Giants. So, sorry about that. Nice old time. And the redemption, there you go. He asked for it. We gave it to him for the Tigers. 2007 Sweet Spot Classic. Signature blue ink. Al Kaline. Very nice. Al Kaline for the Tigers. So, guys on blog are liking that. Move on to the Babe Ruth tin here. This one feels thicker. So, Mega Mo, there you go. Alright, we got a Yankee base, numbered out of 575, Lou Gehrig. Just a base. And then for the Reds, a base of George Foster, 575. Then we have for the Phillies, game used bat of Steve Carlton. And then for the Red Sox, game used jersey of Tony Perez. And next up is for the Expos. This one will be going to the Nationals, numbered out of 125. Autograph baseball of Tim Raines, numbered out of 125. So, average second box, but first box we pulled the Al Kaline. Pretty nice redemption. We'll be back. Stay tuned. GSN Cards is out.